Yeah.
Okay, so my friend, how was today's one-on-one coaching call on affiliate marketing with Google Ads?
Yeah, it's a great experience for me. Actually, I know a very little bit things in the Google Ads and everything, affiliate marketing and thing. I have the accounts and everything, but I don't know anything more about this. And you teach me
You're
more,
based in
more
Dubai,
and more.
right? You're based in
Yeah, I live
Dubai.
in Dubai. Live in
Okay.
Dubai. I'm working in Dubai, and after that, I'm doing this. Anyway,
Okay.
it's a great call. I learned a lot of from Mr. Shabir, and thank you for the
So what three
experience.
things, like what is the difference between learning from training courses and learning from my one-on-one coaching? What is the difference?
Yeah, yeah, that's it. And the main part is the lot of mentors or lot of I purchased or some courses before. It's giving only the videos, and not only they have no responsibility because they are just giving the videos, and uh, we have to watch the video, and we can't do anything. Honestly, we can't do anything. At least, for example, he is doing an mentorship, and he is doing with our computer, he is doing and everything, and he's doing by their own way. That's the way. This is it's very helpful for the students to understand everything. It's very helpful. Not he is entirely different from other mentors, that because for example, if we buy any courses or everything from the other mentors, they are just giving, yeah, this is the video file and you can do this same like this. After that, they will not reply properly, and they will not respond properly after they get the money. So here it's entirely different. That's a new experience, and highly genuine. I can see that this is genuine. Yes. Yeah.
Shabir is genuine, right? This coaching
Yeah.
program
Yeah.
is genuine.
Yeah.
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 So in simple terms, guys, just to explain what he said is, what I do is I provide done for you execution. So the student does not have to, worry about doing the things. He learns things by me doing it for him initially. Okay. I research the offers live on his workstation. I research the campaign on his workstation. I basically provide the done for you copies. I provide the done for you initial landing pages. And I even create the campaign on his workstation, everything live. So after this call, my student does not have to watch any training video or do anything. This is like a virtual office. What he's on his call, everything is getting done, right? Everything is
Yeah.
getting
Yes.
completed on this call right
Yes.
away, correct?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Right.
Exactly.
So once this call ends, he knows that there's one thing that has been accomplished today, and in the next call, next thing will be accomplished, and slowly his live paid ads campaign on Google
Yeah.
will be live, and
Yes.
he will start getting sales eventually. And then he will learn, after he starts getting sales, he will learn how it's happening, because everything is happening. Plus I give the, if someone enrolls in my done for you program, he gets the opportunity on done for you for everything, plus he gets the ability to record all the calls, right? So you're also getting the
Yes.
recording, right,
Yes. Of course. Yeah.
of your own program, of your own
Yes.
training.
Of course.
So that's
Yes. Of
even
course.
better. So thank you for
Yeah. It's
giving this
better.
feedback, my friend,
Yeah.
and I really appreciate you, and
Yeah.
thank you. Have a great day
Yeah.
ahead.
Thank you.